you disappear for weeks, you come back, you post again, and you just expect miracle to happen. Or you expect engagement, you expect customers coming to your DM to ask questions. Hello, go and ask those people succeeding online. It doesn't work that way. I hope you know that viral doesn't mean it led to sales. Ask some people, they went viral but no sales. It's foolishness to keep doing something the same way and expect a different result. Now, it's time to change. Having good designs are not enough. If nobody knows about you, how will they know that design exists? So many designers believe that if they just post randomly online, customers will just magically appear, and before you know it, they start cashing out, or they just become one thing. But you and I know that that's not how it works. So now let's talk about why most brands struggle with sales online. Number one is inconsistent posting. They post once and disappear for weeks. Then post randomly again and expect engagement. You post once, you disappear for weeks, you come back, you post again, and you just expect miracle to happen. Or you expect engagement, you expect customers coming to your DM to ask questions. Hello, go and ask those people succeeding online. It doesn't work that way. And I am sure you know it doesn't work that way, because is it working for you so far? If it's not working for you, then it is foolishness to keep doing something the same way and expect a different result. Now, it's time to change. Aside posting inconsistently, another mistake I see is following trends. Because you saw a trendy audio, or you saw something, a trending video or something, you just feel like, okay, if I create this reel, or if I make this style, if I sew this style, or if I create this reel for my business, or if I do this, it's going to make me go viral and I'm going to make sales. I hope you know that viral doesn't mean it led to sales. Ask some people, they went viral but no sales. We're going to talk about how to fix them, so it's okay. Number three is no storytelling. People buy from those they can connect with. People buy from people that they know their story. Like, they know why you are doing what you are doing. They know why you are in business. They know why you started. They know where you are. They know what you are doing. Like I tell people, if I come to your page right now, can I say I know certain things about you, aside the fact that I know you sell clothes, or aside the fact that I know you're a fashion designer, you make clothes, you are in Lagos, or aside the fact that you are in Lagos, you are a fashion designer in Lagos? What else can I know about you? I always tell people I work with, if I spend 5 minutes in your page, can I know everything? Can I know your story? Can I know why you are in this business? Can I know why you choose to do what you are doing? What else can I tell about you, or what else can I know about you that is different from you are a fashion designer in Lagos? What else can I tell? So this is an assignment for you. Go through your page and ask yourself. Try to introduce yourself to yourself. Ask yourself. Look at the overview of your page and ask yourself, what did I get from here? How can I be perceived? How can this page, what perception have you created in your page or your brand so far online? What perception have you given so far? If it's something you don't like, the good news is you can always correct it. You can always work on it by having a strategy. Online is not just posting. If you come online and post without a strategy, you will struggle and it will not work for you. Now let's talk about how to make the online space work for you and your business. So number one is show up online with a clear strategy. Your content online should focus on value, not just sales. You should educate, entertain, and engage. Three things. If you don't know where to start, just have this strategy in place. Educate, engage, or educate, entertain, and engage. So it should not just be all about selling. You educate, teach people how to do one or two things, teach fashion tips, teach color styles, teach different things for each seasons, how to make your dress last longer, how to do this, how to do that, how to, and as you are teaching these things, you are using your clothes as example, you are using your designs as an example, right? How to style a black skirt with a yellow top, to style a black trouser with red off shoulder, and the red off shoulder is your design, or the black too. The black could be your design as well. You are using your own designs to teach. And if you don't want to, like, you just have to come up and teach something. Also, engage, entertain. Entertainment doesn't have to be like funny things all the time, or come and start behaving crazy or in certain way online because you want to grab, because you want to get. No, entertainment could be like memes, anything that it's kind of related to what you do, or that you see, that you value, that you see as something that, okay, is valuable to you, then you can bring it to your audience. That way it kind of gives the audience, they kind of know your kind of, it makes the audience know your sense of humor, how you think, how you reason, what's funny to this. You put up a meme or something, okay, they laugh, they see the kind of things that interest you or makes you laugh, right? So engagement, you interact, you build community. Now, best way to grow online is to build community, and one way to build community is by is storytelling. People want to know why you do what you do. That way they can buy into what you're doing. I have one video on this channel talking about how to set up your Instagram page for success. So just, I'll also drop the link to that video in the description box so you can watch that video. How to set up your Instagram page for success. So you can start with that. Then if you want me to go into details about creating content for your brand, how to have brand strategy, how to have a content strategy or creating content for your brand, just let me know. Just comment content and I'll work a detailed video on that. Then number two is use storytelling. This is something I was already talking about then. Share your journey. Tell people why you do what you do. Talk about the inspiration behind your designs. Talk about why, how you, the inspiration behind your designs. Talk about your craftsmanship. Talk about your challenges. Talk about what you are doing, why you are doing this thing you're doing. You want to make a top, or you came up with a design. What inspired those designs? Ask for their input. I want to make this in this color. What other colors do you think this design will be beautiful on? What other colors do you think this top will be nice on? Like, share your wins, share your process, share your struggles, how you went to the market, or how you handled a client, or how you did something, how you planned something but it did not go as planned. But this is what you learned out of that day. This is what you learned from that experience. Share your wins. You got, like, people just want to, that's a way to humanize your page or your brand. People just want to know that, okay, you are a real human being. You go through everything they are going through. Okay, but you are doing this thing. Oh, okay, I value your story. I know about you. I know something else about you other than you're a fashion business or a fashion brand in Lagos. I know you. I know how you look like. I know what you do. I know some of your wins, some of your struggle. I know what inspires you. I know what's funny to you. All those kind of stuff. These are things you want to be start talking about. These are things you want to like show people online. Now, consistency wins, whether it is 3 times in a week or daily, whatever it is. It's not about how much you post, but it's about consistency. Over time it will tell. Now, if you say, I can comfortably do 2 times or 3 times in a week, stick to it. This day at this time, you will see a post from me online. Stick to it and keep at it, because that way consistency over time will pay off. Enough of posting randomly and going out for weeks and not coming back, or and come back years or weeks later to come and see the miracle that has happened. So let me know in the comment section how many of these mistakes, or which mistakes have you been making in your fashion brand. Let's see how we can correct it together. So this is a growing community and we are going to be doing a lot here. So engage with me, because it will show me that, okay, you are interested in this kind of videos. It will also show that, okay, people are watching and they want this stuff, and I promise to come up here to share this stuff, because I've been through a lot. These are things I wish someone showed me at different points in time. And but over the years, they are all experiences I've gathered, and I'm willing to share with you guys. I'm willing to share with others, so that a lot of questions that I have asked that I didn't get answers to, I want to share, so that other people will see these answers, and as they are asking, they get these answers, so they don't make the mistakes I made in my fashion journey so far. So this is a growing community. I would really love for us to grow together and do amazing things together as a community. So if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe, turn on your bell notification, and leave a comment below. Just leave a comment and say, hello Telma, I see what you're doing. Hello Telma. Just show some love, do something, do something, do something. Let's support this community and grow with this community. Until I come your way again, keep winning, keep shining, and keep doing more as a fashionpreneur. You've got this. You know what you're doing, sis. You've got it.